Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open Play Store or App Store, whatever you are using, iOS or Android. Then you should go to the search bar right here and search for WhatsApp. And now you will have to check if you have any updates for WhatsApp itself. But if you do not have any updates and you still don't have the Meta AI icon, in this case, you will have to go to the settings of your phone and scroll down till you find apps. Click on apps, then click on manage apps right here. And after that, you should go and search for WhatsApp application. Now go to storage, then click on clear data and click on clear cache, then click on OK. Now you can simply go and open WhatsApp and see if you still have the problem or not. And if you still have the problem, you can simply go and delete the application. Just hold on it like this, then uninstall it. And after that, you can go back to the Play Store and try to install it again. And once you open it, it will be displayed that you have the Meta AI icon just right here. You can now use it and ask it any question that you actually need. And that's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.